Section 1.1. Find the general term t of n and the term t of 19 for the sequence 8, 12, 16. Well, let's look at this arithmetic sequence first and identify everything that we know about it. From this, we know that our first term, t of 1, is 8. By looking at the sequence, we can tell that our common difference is 4. And from this, we're going to simply write the general term. So remember, the general term is just a general rule that can be used in order to find any term in the sequence. So for example, it's a general rule that we could use to, let's say, find t of 100 or t of 1,000. Something that's a really fairly big number where it would take us forever to continue the sequence. So we're going to first find our general term or our general rule. So to do that, we're going to substitute information that we know into this general term formula and then just simplify the formula. So our general term is going to be our first term, which is 8, plus n. We don't know n because remember, n is the number of terms in the sequence, and in this case we don't know them. It's a general term. Minus 1 times the common difference. We do know that, which is 4. So now all we're going to do is simplify this expression. So we're going to run the 4 through our set of brackets. This becomes a 4n minus 4. Now we're going to collect our constant values to leave us with 4n plus 4. So the general term to this sequence is 4n plus 4. So from that, now I want to find term 19. Well, of course, we could continue this pattern, write out 20, 24, and continue this until we get to the 19th term. But obviously, that's a lot of work. So what we're going to use is we're going to use our general term formula and just simply substitute in the number of terms into the general term. And the number of terms that we're looking for is 19 terms. So I'm going to substitute a 19 in for my n value. So here we're looking for t of 19. I'm going to take 4, multiply it by 19, and add 4. So our 19th term would be, this would end up to be 76 plus 4 would give us 80. So the 19th term of this sequence would be 80.